Bam. Oh, scalp. Do you guys see this? And it's glueless. When I say natural, this is what I mean. Come on, y'all.
Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is sponsored by the lovely CurlsCurls. I have reviewed several of their videos on my channel already, so I'm really excited because their units never disappoint. So as I mentioned, I was excited. I already took this out the box, but let me show you guys quickly the unit that I'll be reviewing. This is a 14-inch curly unit. I believe this is the Burmese curly texture. As always, CurlsCurls unit do come with the knots bleached, and it does come with HD lace. They have the bomb units that give you such a natural look to it. There are the typical combs on the sides. There's one in the back, and there is an adjustable elastic band. Okay, so I decided I wanted to show you what this looks straight out the box before I wash it. You guys know I typically like to co-wash my curly units just because that really helps to bring the curls to light. But I want you to see what it looks like straight out the box. And as you can see, this unit does come pre-plucked. Look how dope this hairline looks. I don't even need to do anything to it. I think I'm gonna go for a side part today. I've been toying with the middle part lately, but you guys know side parts are the old faithful. And I think I'm gonna do a side part on this on the right hand side, which I almost never do.
So I'm going to go ahead and do the parting before I continue with the co-wash. And while I'm at it, let you guys get a really good look at how natural this Swiss lace is. And I'm not sure if I mentioned, but this is a 13 by 5 Swiss lace unit, which means you're going to get 5 inches apart in space. And the density for this unit is 150%. So it is going to look very natural.
I do want to say about CurlsCurls unit is that you are going to get this curl pattern from root to tip. I'm going to go ahead and co-wash this and let's see what this looks like once it's at least slightly dry. I'm going to add a little bit of this Lotta Body Activate Me Curl Activator and some of my Got to Be Glue Kinkier Curly Mousse.
So I'm just taking a pea-sized amount of that curl activator and running it through the unit. Now, what this really did is like it really helped soften the curls, and it's gonna just kind of make the curls pop a little bit more. And I'm gonna just take my time running it through to ensure that all the strands get coated with the product. And next, I'm gonna just go in with that Got to Be Glue mousse and finish it up. I think these two products together worked really well. Let me give y'all a close-up of this parting space. Once again, as you guys can see, it's so natural looking. And from the back, you guys can see that this unit is layered. So you really don't have to do anything to this unit besides just throw it on.
So typically I always show you guys what this unit look like once it's dry, but I do want to try it on for you while it's still like slightly damp, so you can see the difference between how it looks slightly damp compared to being completely dry.
Yes, hair porn. Sorry guys, I have to keep showing it to you. I just love how this unit looks.
As you can see, it is definitely giving what it's supposed to give. These curls are beautiful. And I love the fact that this unit is layered and not just one blunt cut like sometimes. And as you can see, these curls are from root to tip. Now that the unit is dry, it's ready for me to install. As you can see, the curls are still very much defined. I'm gonna do a simple install using my Got to Be glue spray.
Okay, dolls, so I'm just gonna cut the lace. As you guys can see, I am using a zigzag motion. That's typically how I like to cut my lace. It helps it to lay better as opposed to cutting it straight across. However, do whatever it is that you think's best.
So this is the perfect type of unit to wear glueless. I am going to just spray down the sides. You really don't even need to spray down the sides, truth be told, because your hair will cover it. But I'm gonna spray down just because.
And this is the Got To Be Glue High Insta Hold that I'm using. This is the one I've just been using a lot regularly lately. I don't know, I just reach for this one a lot more than I do for the one that's in the yellow can.
I'm gonna put on just a little bit of mousse in the front and tie it down just to get that lace to blend in with my skin.
Okay, dolls, this is a curly unit, so y'all know I gotta do a little bit of baby hair for you. Now, I'm gonna do a real small amount of baby hair. It's from a habit, to be honest. The baby hair that I added really didn't do much of a difference. I could have really did without it. But it's just, anytime I do curly units, I just feel like I have to have some form of baby hair. So I'm just doing little swoops, adding a little mousse, and bada boom, bada bang, and she gonna be good to go. Go ahead and tie it down with that elastic band just to get the lace to melt in with the skin. And she ready.
Put a little powder.
Can we say melted? Yes. Beautiful. That's what you are. You are curls, curls.
Spray a little sheen. And that's pretty much it. Girls, I love this look. This unit gives a new meaning to a wash and go. As you guys saw, there's nothing to literally do with this unit besides wash it and go. Okay? And the curls are beautiful. You guys, can you see this? How beautiful these curls are, even when it's dry. You're gonna get the natural look from the roots all the way to the tips. This is in 14 inches. I believe the curl pattern is Burmese. I'm not really sure, but everything, as always, will be in the description box down below. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, as always, the description box is down below. But if you guys want to, go ahead and give me a name for this unit. What do you think we should call her? She's so beautiful. Let me turn around and let you guys see what the back looks like. Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. Dolls, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you're not part of the Faithful Fam, what are you waiting for? Guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the fam. And while you're at it, watch some of my other videos right here. And as always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.